Jacques Lefèvre de Table, Quincuplex Psalterium, Episode 3. Ut Adam, qui secundam mortem in sua transgressione incurrerat, et adae posteritatem ad doloribus secundae mortis eriperet. In the previous portion, Stapulensis explained that some think Christ bore the sorrows of hell, dolores inferni, as well, and now we receive a purpose clause that explains that action. To understand the full context, you'll have to look at the previous episode. He did this in order that ut eriperet. So here we have eriperet in the third singular, imperfect, subjunctive, and active, from the third conjugation verb, eripio, eripere, like so. This is a third io, as it's called, eripio, eripere. He did this so that Adam, this is going to function as our accusative, as our masculine singular and accusative. It's a first declension masculine. He did this so that Adam, who, qui, incurrerat, had earned or had gained, had incurred the secundam mortem, the second death, by his transgression or in his transgression. Incurrerat is from the third conjugation verb incurro, incurrere, like that, which is a third singular pluperfect indicative active. Third singular pluperfect indicative active. Its object is mortem, feminine singular accusative, modified by secundam. So he did this in order that Adam, who had incurred or who had earned the second death, the first death is spiritual, the second death is physical, who had earned the second death in his transgression, as well as adae posteritatem, as well as Adam's posterity. So we have Adam as object and posteritatem, feminine singular accusative, as the second object of eriperet, and Adam's posterity, a doloribus, from the pains of the second death, secundae mortis, he might set free, eriperet. So let's look at it again real briefly. He did this in order that, this is a propositum or an inutiatum, those are words that mean clause, a propositum finale, that means a purpose clause, that he might set free Adam and Adam's posterity from the pains, ablative of separation, masculine plural ablative, from the pains of the second death. And then we have the relative clause, qui through incurrerat, which modifies Adam.
Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed the lesson, please press the like button. Don't forget to subscribe and leave a comment.